Hi, I'm Chris. I work for MOS Manufacturing here at the SHOT Show 2023. I'm going to go over our line currently that we have here at the show. First thing that's up is the CAT series that's in joint venture with Airsoft 97 from Japan. It is a combination electric pneumatic system where you have a split mech box, very much like the old ICS and System A systems, where it opens up in half. As you can see in the video, it's very similar to those systems, but our system has a mechanical pre-cocking that's built into the sector gear here, where you select the position you want with a tool that comes with AEG, and it memorizes the position when you fire it due to the electronics inside. So it's pre-cocking without having to use the motor as active braking. This is going to be available this year, Q3 probably, and it comes in several styles and sizes. Also, what's interesting on these AEGs is the stock. It is a modular stock where you see this one has a large area. This can be a battery compartment, and it opens up like a suicide door system, like that, where you can put big batteries straight out the back and into the inside. Or you can also choose the regular shoulder type style mounts by just undoing these screws, which is the same here. You can have it flat on the back, or you can take it off, turn it around, give it a curve, makes it a little bit more comfortable on your shoulder. This is what's coming from the CAT line from Arcturus Airsoft. Then this goes to our ZTAC series here, the PP19s, as well as the PP20. PP20 has been updated for the latest version. And then our flagship on top is the AK12PE-U. All these have the per-run MOSFET system in there, where you can have safe, full auto, burst in 2 rounds, and semi-auto. In addition, the trigger is adjustable. Inside the mech box, there's a little screw. Loosen it. You can pre-stage the trigger for partway or almost to the point of break. So you can fan the trigger really fast to get your shots off. In addition to that, the MOSFET allow you to change any of the positions to other fire modes, like binary. So you can have safe, full auto, binary, and semi-auto. So if you really want to get fast on the trigger, this would be the line to go through for the next year. And then it comes down to our last of our series over here for the Arcturus. Airsofters have to start somewhere. We have our ST01 series, then this gray and black. These are full-featured entry-level AEGs. While the body is polymer, don't let that fool you. It has inline MOSFET, electronic trigger system. It has modular quick takedown magazines that have a BB indicator in the window, so when you're on your last view, the little indicator shows up. All the motors are neodymium, big stocks where you can put a big battery in. You know how those starter guns have no battery space? We got a big battery space in our guns. This is standard on all of our starter line ST01 series. And then we have a specialty like a karambit here with a little stock that folds out. It's very compact. And it's also mounted with our factory gun-ready optics in red dot. And this is the last of the NY06, polymer also, but it's a medium level AEG, so when you're step off the sports, you can move into this one. None of these guns really need any updates, but if you need to, they're ready to go. And then over here is the other half of MOS Manufacturing. This is the E&L lines. As you all know, E&Ls are made from real steel gun parts. Well, we continue the tradition of matching now the superior externals with improved internals. This is now all going to be called E-Series Platinum. E-Series Platinum means there's an inline MOSFET on all these AEGs with battery protection and a fuse built in. And all these items are now with finished CNC gears and some additional components that make it just as reliable on the inside as it is on the outside. On the end here are the prototypes. Of the prototypes, this will be one of the new ones coming out. This is the AK105 with the faux identical furniture. And And it's folding too. This is an Echo AK-105. We will also be introducing a slimline AEG, where it's a more traditional AK grip with a slim, and we're also using the slim motors that are also available on one other maker on the market. But we've asked them to make a better motor for us, and we're putting it into our new AEGs with the slim grips also as an option coming this Q3 of 2023. The E&L Essential, while it says Essential, is not any AEG that is of very low quality. Hardwood, gun stamped steel, 1.5 millimeter. The option of the traditional laminate is available. If you want to take a look at their case to your right, the laminate is also available, but the known quality of E&L is continuing forward with the E&L Essentials E-Series. What's on the horizon for us is a gas rifle. This one is the QBZ-191. It is a gas-operated airsoft. Actually, this is actually a gas-operated paintball gun that we're going to be converting to airsoft. Magazines do not hold any gas. As you can see, it's just for BBs only. The system is all internal with an HPA adapter in the grip. So the guns are going to be ready right out of the box for HPA. And then if you want CO2, whoops, the version has the CO2 in the buttstock right here for 33 grand. This gives this AEG approximately a shot count of 160 shots with the CO2 cartridge in warm weather. Stock is adjustable for in and out. The bolt is limited travel because it only has to pick up a BB, but it operates just like the real item in a rifle. So when the last round is empty, it locks open. Sights are flip up, rear and front. And this will be a cast item when it comes out in probably fall of this year, 2023, or early next year, 2024.